What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan? Coming with a quick video. And I just wanted to make a quick video real quick since it is Friday. What I want to talk about is why laziness is killing your dreams. Being lazy is the reason why most people's dreams are failing. I don't want to be this motivational person and stuff like that, but what I'm seeing and what I'm checking out is laziness and the fear of doing something, and also the fear of hearing the word no. Most people go through life scared of hearing the word no, and then when they do hear the word no, rejection and all that shit, they want to go crazy, they want to act crazy and shit like that. So the fear of rejection, you should automatically be like, yo, you're gonna hear no's in your life. You're going to experience that. So if I was you, just keep practicing that no answer and be ready for no, because it's gonna happen. That no is gonna be a word that you should get used to. And sometimes a no is not a good thing, and sometimes no is not a bad thing. You just gotta get used to it. So every time you tell yourself no yourself too, when you're laying in bed and don't want to get up and go to the gym, when you're laying in bed, don't want to read that book, when you're laying in bed and don't want to start that business, is that no that you're telling yourself. That's the reason why you're not being successful. You being lazy is successful. You being lazy yourself. So little by little it takes to that laziness. I just wanted to make a quick video, do this 2-minute videos. Probably keep it lower than 3 minutes. You gotta get up and stop being lazy. There's always gonna be somebody out there outshining you. There's gonna be somebody out there outworking you, and there's gonna be people out there that's better than you in some situations. But if you let stuff like that make you quit, if you let stuff like that keep you from becoming successful, then that's your fault. Stop being lazy. Every day you have to get up and stop being lazy. The one thing that I've been doing every day for the last at least 3 months has been making my bed. When I was younger, I didn't make my bed. I thought it was no necessary thing to do. But every day now I make my bed. For the last 3 months, I haven't missed a day that I haven't made my bed. And it's only the little things, because you start making your bed, it start becoming a habit. You gotta start making habits. So once you get up and start working out, once you get up and start reading, once you get up and just make it a habit, make things a habit. Even if it's something simple of just making your bed. Keep it simple. Like I said, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Peace.